Deep in the heart of South America lies the Amazon rainforest, a vast and vibrant world teeming with life and mystery. This enchanting realm, often called the lungs of the earth, spans across 9 countries, with the largest portion in Brazil. Imagine a place where the air is thick with the scent of lush vegetation. The canopy overhead forms a green cathedral, and every step reveals a new wonder. Welcome to the Amazon, a land of unparalleled biodiversity and awe-inspiring beauty. As you venture into the Amazon, the first thing that strikes you is the cacophony of sounds. Birds of every color sing in a harmonious chorus, their songs blending with the hum of insects and the distant call of howler monkeys. This is a place where life is interwoven in a delicate balance, each creature playing a vital role in the ecosystem. In the shadows of the dense foliage, the elusive jaguar prowls. With its powerful build and striking rosettes, the jaguar is a symbol of the Amazon's untamed spirit. These magnificent predators are solitary and secretive, their golden eyes scanning the jungle for prey. They are the guardians of the forest, maintaining the balance by keeping herbivore populations in check. Among the trees you might glimpse the Brazilian tapir, a gentle giant with a curious short trunk. Tapirs are the gardeners of the rainforest, dispersing seeds far and wide as they munch on fruits and foliage. Their presence is a testament to the interconnectedness of life here, where even the smallest action can have a profound impact. High above the forest floor, the Canopy is a bustling metropolis. Spider monkeys swing gracefully from branch to branch, their long limbs and prehensile tails perfectly adapted for life in the trees. These acrobats of the Amazon are essential for seed dispersal, helping to regenerate the forest. Soaring through the canopy, the harpy eagle reigns supreme. With a wingspan that rivals the height of a human, this powerful bird of prey is a master hunter, capable of snatching monkeys and sloths from the treetops. The harpy eagle's presence is a reminder of the raw power and beauty of nature. The Amazon is home to a dazzling array of birds, including the vibrant macaws and toucans. These feathered gems add splashes of color to the green backdrop, their calls echoing through the forest. Their role as seed dispersers is crucial, ensuring the continual growth and diversity of plant life. Beneath the surface of the waterways, the green anaconda lies in wait. This enormous serpent, one of the heaviest in the world, moves silently through the water, a testament to the hidden dangers of the Amazon. Yet even the anaconda plays a vital role in this intricate web of life, controlling the populations of other animals and maintaining ecological balance. As night falls, the forest transforms into a realm of magic and mystery. Fireflies light up the darkness, and the calls of nocturnal creatures fill the air. The Amazon never sleeps, and its secrets are best revealed under the cover of night. The Amazon rainforest is more than just a collection of trees and animals. It is a living, breathing entity that sustains life on Earth. It is a place of wonder and discovery, where every leaf, every creature, and every drop of water tells a story. The Amazon's fate is intricately linked to our own, and its preservation is essential for the well-being of our planet. As you explore the Amazon, remember that this enchanting forest is a treasure trove of life and mystery. Its beauty and complexity are a testament to the power of nature, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains us all. Let us cherish and protect the Amazon, for it is truly one of Earth's greatest wonders.